How to enable the auto answer for incoming calls with your Apple Watch connected to the Watch app on your iPhone, and also set the duration time as to how long it takes for the auto answer. Once in the Apple Watch app itself here, you'll need to go down to the accessibility settings right there. Once in this section here, go down and keep going down until you see the auto answer calls, this right here. And from here now, you want to turn this on, and you can choose to change the settings as to how much seconds it will take for your auto answer to actually be kicked in during that incoming call. All right. Now, if you want to do this from the watch itself, you don't want to use the app, or you're not currently connected to the app itself, you will press down here once on the crown. You'll see the settings icon, or you'll look for that in the list view. And once you're here in this section here, you'll want to go down to the accessibility section, this right there. And from here on now, go down and just keep going down. You'll look for the auto answer, pretty much the same thing you were looking for earlier. All right, and there you go. You'll see it here. And of course, you want to turn it on, and you'll use this to increase the seconds or decrease the amount of seconds, like and so.